In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new resolution in Jira and set it as the default one. Understanding how to effectively manage resolutions in Jira is crucial for enhancing your team's workflow and ensuring issues are tracked accurately. So let's jump right in and cover each step in detail. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Jira settings. This can be found at the top right corner of your Jira dashboard. Once you're there, you'll need to select Issues from the drop-down menu. This takes you within the realm of your project's management tools, where all the configurations for your issues are contained. Next, under the Issue Attributes section, look for an option labeled Resolution. Clicking on this will navigate you to the place where current resolutions are listed, and also where you can add new ones. It's essential to note this area because it's where you will define how issues are concluded in your project. Now, direct your attention to the section labeled Add New Resolution. Here, you'll create the new category that best suits your project's needs. In this section, you'll need to provide a name for the resolution. Be concise and clear, as this name will be visible to all team members. Alongside the name, include a description that accurately outlines when and how this resolution should be applied. A good description ensures everyone is on the same page regarding its use. Once you've filled out the name and description, the next step is to click Add. This officially creates the new resolution and adds it to your list. It might be tempting to skip the description, but investing time here can prevent misunderstandings later on. Now, if you're aiming to set this new resolution as the default, there's an important factor to consider. Jira uses the order of resolutions as they're listed to determine which is default. Therefore, to set your new resolution as the default, it needs to be listed first. To achieve this, you'll want to use the up and down arrows in the order column to reorganize your list of resolutions. Carefully move your new resolution to the top of this list. This action prioritizes it as the option that will be initially suggested to your team when they close issues. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've created and set your default resolution in Jira. By managing resolutions efficiently, you're greatly enhancing your team's ability to close issues accurately and consistently. Keep practicing these steps and you'll soon be a pro at customizing Jira to better fit your project needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.